Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to change the wiper blades, or the front wiper blades, on a 2010 Seat Ibiza MK4 6J. This generation ran from 2008 through to 2017. So in order to change your front wiper blades, you need to put them into the wiper service position because you can't lift the wiper arms up with the bonnet in the way. In order to do that, switch on your ignition, but not the engine, for no more than 9 seconds, switch off your ignition again, and push the wiper stalk down. Now, in order to change your wipers, lift up the wiper arms, and you'll see there's a little button here and like a little retaining piece on either side. So push them in. Might take you one or two goes. There you go. Now, before you fit the new ones, make sure that the connection is the same, because if you have the wrong connection, you try to fit them and damage them, you might not be able to return them for the correct ones. So this looks exactly right. This is the one for the other side, but it looks right. So we're just going to swap them out. And fitting is a reversal of removal. Done. And done. So once you're done, put your wiper back down. You can now test them out if you want. It's actually starting to rain right now, so it's a perfect test. Super. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope when it rains again for you, you'll have new wipers and it'll work out. I'm getting absolutely drenched here, so I'm going to go in now. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.